In this video, we'll be looking at context organization, a feature of Platt that enables you to focus specifically on those parts of your business that are relevant at a particular time. I'm going to log into Platt as a user from DemoCare. DemoCare is the parent organization, and there are two child organizations that have been set up, Northern Area and Southern Area. Of course, all service users and care workers are set up against an organization. So as a user from the DemoCare organization, I would usually have visibility of all of the clients and all of the care workers and all of the runs from both DemoCare and its child organizations, Northern Area and Southern Area. In some cases, there are certain pages where having visibility of a large amount of data makes those pages impractical. The best example is the plan. On the plan, you have one row on the calendar for each care worker and each run that are set up against organizations that you have visibility of. So in my case, logging in as DemoCare, I would have visibility of, and therefore one row for each care worker from DemoCare, from Northern Area and from Southern Area. If I've got 150 rows on that calendar, it becomes practically impossible to use, not only because it takes a long time to populate that, but simply because there is such a significant vertical distance between care workers that you cannot realistically swap events between them, which is one of the features of that calendar which makes it so useful. By using context organization, you can use the plan to focus specifically on care workers and runs from a particular part of your organization. So let's see that in action. I'm going to select User, Switch Context. There's some text here to explain why I might wish to do this, and I'm going to choose Northern Area. And now let's visit the plan. And you'll see that we only see here data for Northern Area with the care workers and the runs from that part of the business displayed. If I switch context again now to Southern Area, we'll see that different part of the business displayed. If I switch context to an organization from which I have visibility of too much data, you'll see the effect is that I actually get returned to the home page with a message telling me that my context is too broad. Now in this case, I've got the system set up to allow the plan to be displayed with only a very small amount of data. This is just for demonstration purposes, and in the live system the limit is significantly higher, so you would be able to access the plan with the amount of data that I've got displayed with absolutely no problem at all. But if you did have a very large organization with a number of care workers from a number of child organizations set up, that limit would then apply, and to use the plan you would need to switch context. On the home page, you would generally see alerts for any events and any other records that are visible to your current organization. So that could be events that are unallocated, it could be qualifications that are soon due to expire, and so on. What we've done is we've prevented alerts from being displayed when your current context is too large for those alerts to be practical to use. So in my case, at the DemoCare level, I'm being told that I have visibility of too much data for it to make sense to populate alerts. And in this case, I can switch context. And if I want to look at alerts relevant specifically to the Northern Area, I would do that. And those alerts are now displayed. And the same for Southern Area.